I look so ugly. I also have like a huge pimple on my nose and I just woke up. So hi. So today is Sunday and it is currently around 8:30 and I wanted to film a day in my life, and Sundays aren't typically anything, especially now in quarantine, but I wanted to film a day in my life video just so you can see what I get up to in my day-to-day life. Just some things on the agenda today. I want to do my laundry, work out. Definitely. I haven't been working out for the last couple days, but I did go on walks, so maybe equivalent. So I'm gonna work out later so you can see that. I'm not going to, that part is gonna be fast forward. I'm not even close to being like some fitness guru, but lately I've been doing the TING workouts, like literally every girl on TikTok, and I really enjoy them, so I'm gonna have them linked in the description box down below. But I also have this ribbed like shirt from, I think it's from Arden, I don't know. In high school when I took fashion, our theme for our end of year fashion show was old Hollywood for my group, so that's why Audrey Hepburn is on here. But this is a cute shirt regardless. It's just like one of those like basics that I always need more of, but I would love if she wasn't on here anymore. And this was just like an iron-on transfer paper, so I'm really hoping, I found this video on YouTube that was how to remove iron-on transfer paper from just like cotton shirts, so I'm hoping that it works, but I'll just take you along with me when I do that. But that's all that's on the agenda today, and I just wanted to intro this. This is going to be a day in my life. I don't know how well this is going to work because I've never done one before, but I think it's exciting. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel. I typically upload every Thursday. So right now I'm just getting my breakfast. I just have a bagel toasting in there and everything bagel. But lately I've been trying to drink more water, so this thing is just full of just iced water. I'm trying to drink more water, and I'm trying to actually start my day by drinking water. So I'm just waiting for my bagel to toast, and then I'm just gonna drink my water. I need my breakfast and watch something on TV.
As we journey through this world to the Heavenly Father, baptizing them, we are sacramental. That's one reason why this temporary disruption of our life, caused out of obedience to the command of the Lord to love your neighbor, because we are incarnational, we're in this world, we got to deal with things like hurricanes, earthquakes, and viruses. They're part of this world. We're not living in some distant place, but we need to be connected. Virtual is not enough. It's only, we don't worship pixels, we worship the Lord. Water, the sacred oil of confirmation, the sacrament of the sick, the imposition of hands, the bread, the wine that becomes the body and blood of Christ. This is very, very central to who we are. Sacramental. So we cannot hold back from that for long.
Okay, so I started vacuuming and cleaning my room, but then my vacuum died, so I decided that I'm going to remove the iron-on transfer off, or attempt to, off of the shirt. It's really echoing here because all I have right now is my bed in my room. It's kind of like I'm like just moving in here, but the video that I saw, which I'll leave in the description box down below, is you take an iron and you basically put the shirt over your iron, and then the heat will remove and lift the glue, and then you'll be able to take tweezers and just kind of peel it off. So hopefully that works. So let's try it. I'm just gonna plug in my iron. You're supposed to have it on the cotton setting, and then I also turned off like the steam. I don't know if that'll make a difference, but oh my god, is it leaking? I really hope not. But we'll see. I hope this works so that I can wear this shirt, because it's a really nice shirt. It's just kind of basic, but I really hope that it'll work. This shirt also looks super what's happening? It's like having a moment. What's happening? Okay, I'm just gonna put the shirt over the iron and see what happens. It's supposed to work. I put this on just by like the normal iron-on transfer paper, so hopefully this works. I hope it doesn't burn my shirt. Oh, is this a bad idea? Oh no, I think I just burned the inside of the shirt. Shit. Okay, well, like, I don't know if you can see, but over here where her head is like a little bit of like a yellow undertone, whereas like that's like the normal shirt. I think I burnt the shirt. Well, that's a fail, and I just burnt my shirt. If you know another way to remove iron-on transfer paper, in some areas it is like lifting. Well, that was a fail. So I guess I'll unplug this because it isn't working, but I guess I'll wait for the vacuum to be charged because that was a fail.
But I've been taking ginkgo biloba for my memory daily for years, so I'm confident in saying, I don't think so.
If I were to put Becky on the stand to testify under oath, would she say she saw you?
Okay, so I literally just tried to take a nap, but I couldn't. Also, my hair looks worse now that I put it up than when it was down. But I am going to go work out now. I haven't worked out for the past 2 days. I'm just putting on my socks right now. I'm also wearing or going to wear this like sweater because I work out in my basement, and even though my fan is on right now, it is super cold in the basement and I don't want to start my workout when I'm cold. So I'm gonna wear this sweater that is super old. I got it in like elementary school. I do the TING workouts, so I'll leave down below if you guys want to try it too. So yay! Hi guys, so I don't actually know when the last time was that I was actually talking in this video, but I just wanted to end it. I'm actually sitting in my bathroom because everyone else is sleeping currently. I didn't really show you a lot of my meals except for breakfast, but if you want to see a what I eat in a day video, leave me a comment down below. I have literally all my pimple cream on. My hormones have been all out of whack lately, but I hope you enjoyed some part of this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. Bye!